Whether you're vegan, just trying to get your kids to eat healthier, or just want to joke with your mates, I'm going to show you how to make these plant-based egg and chips right now. Right guys, as always, when you're running a boat, moving, when you're running a family, educating your kids, food has to be quick. And this is by no means going to take ages. It's only going to take a few minutes to make, and it's a few ingredients as well. We're going to use 4 apples, just like this. We're going to use some cinnamon as well. We've got some, and here's the cheat, we've got peach halves to make the eggs, and also some plant-based plain yogurt. So it's important that this looks white because this will be the whites of your eggs. As I say, it's super simple. So let's move to the chopping board and make the magic happen. Right, now that we're done, there's only one job left to do, and that's to serve these up and see what the hatchlings think. Let's do that now.
Egg and chips. Egg and chips.
There you go. There's yours. What do you think? There you go.
Thank you, Daddy.
What do you think? Do you like?
Oh, yummy.
Do I get a thumbs up?
Ding.
Do I get a thumbs up,
Ding.
Fleur? Yay! Bye!
Bye.
If you've enjoyed this video, we'd really appreciate you that you give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe so that you can see more videos by Bike and Boat. It would also be great to see some reaction videos. So if you are doing this for your friends, for your kids, for your family, go ahead and film their response and post it, and post a link below so that we can see the reaction as well. If you want to support our family adventure as we adventure the inland waterways of the UK, you can also pop to our website, which is bybikeandboat.co.uk, or you can search for By Bike and Boat on social media and follow us there. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.